Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Jaguar F-Type that's come to us for the V6 Predator upgrade. But before we can get stuck into any of the mechanical work or any of the other upgrades, we need to find out what it's running now. So let's get strapped down to the dyno and give it a run. First run, we can see that this F-Type is running at 379 brake horsepower and 493 Newton meters of torque. But we can do better than that, so it's time to read the file, get it up to our technical team to find out just how much more power we can give this Jag. First, our team need to read the ECU file from this F-Type, so our file writers upstairs can really get stuck into writing a brand new map.
Now that the hardware changes for the V6 Predator have been applied to this vehicle, it allows us within the ECU to maximise the potential of this engine to really get the true performance, power and torque out of it that this engine's been sort of locked and restricted away with. Whilst it's a super smooth and progressive engine, tapping in now to those increases in airflow thanks to the upper and lower pulley changes, we can now maximise the airflow in the engine, increase the airflow over the supercharger in the software, and really increase that nice smooth progressive delivery of boost pressure, although with an increase in PSI now, to really maximise the potential. Changing the upper and lower pulley opens up a whole realm of data within the tables that previously was limited by the RPM of the supercharger. Now we've got a bigger area to work with, we've got more data that we can manipulate to really release that true, safe, maximum potential from the engine.
While our file writers are hard at work, our technicians will be replacing the upper and lower pulleys and replacing the charge cooler. All these upgrades together should make a massive difference to the performance of this F-Type. All the technical work's been completed, so it's time to get this F-Type strapped back onto the dyno to find out exactly what difference all those upgrades have made. This F-Type is now running a staggering 450 brake horsepower and 616 Newton meters of torque, a vast improvement. And if you'd like the same treatment for your Jag, then give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.